This is our second video in our web design tip series. In this video, I'm going to talk all about colors. So let's begin. So before you begin designing your website, you may want to think about the type of message or tone that you want to convey to your visitors. So for example, you may want to go for a more professional or sleek look, or you may want to have a website that's more fun and playful. So I'm going to show you how to play around with colors today. So here's an example of a poorly designed website, and it has a lot of different colors, but they're not very compatible with one another. So I'm just going to show you some basic color theory. So this is the color wheel. So you can use the color wheel to choose some colors that are more compatible with one another. So for example, if you want your site to have a more vibrant or energetic look, you can choose complementary colors. So you can find that by choosing colors that are opposite of one another on this wheel. So for example, red and green would be opposite, yellow and purple would be complementary colors. And you can also create a more vibrant look by choosing a triadic color scheme. So that would be choosing colors that create a triangle on the color wheel. So for example, this blue, this orange, and this light green would form a triadic color scheme. So if you want a more soothing or harmonious tone, you can create that by using analogous colors. And that's colors that are directly beside each other on the color wheel. So for example, you could choose this blue and this green to form a more harmonious color scheme. So something else that may be helpful is to choose only 2 or 3 base colors for your website and then creating variety by using some tints, some tones, and some shades of those base colors. So a tint is when you use white and add it to the base color to create a lighter color. A shade is when you use black to create a darker color, and a tone is when you create a sort of murkier color by adding gray. So here's an example of a website that uses color really well. And if you notice here, they only have 3 base colors, and that's black, yellow, and blue. And they use some shades and tints and tones to create variety. So a really useful website that can help you find some compatible colors is color, spelled K-U-L-E-R, .adobe.com. So this is the website, and you can browse through these color combinations based on categories of what's most popular, the highest rated, etc. So for example, if I clicked on this berry hues one, you can look at all these colors that are compatible with one another. So you can look at this site to get some inspiration for your own website. So if you want, you can click on this button right here to look at the hex codes and the RGB color codes. So I'll click on that, and you can look at that down here under each color. So if we go back to the editor, you can go to Colors and Styles and choose to customize all these colors here. And let's say we wanted to change the header color. We can input the RGB color code here or the hex code right here. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful, and stay tuned for some more videos on some web design tips. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. See you soon.